In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add slider in Wix website. To get started, open the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. This is where you will add and customize the slider directly on your page. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements, shown with the plus icon. This section contains the design tools and content blocks you can place on your site. From the Add Elements panel, choose Gallery. Wix includes several gallery styles, and for this tutorial, you will want to scroll down until you reach the Slider Galleries section. Here you will see different slider layouts that are designed to display images in a clean, interactive format. You can choose a template that fits your website style, such as a product showcase layout or a standard slider design. When you find one you like, drag it onto your page and place it where you want the slider to appear. After the slider gallery is on the page, click on it to open its editing options. Then select Manage Media. This is where you control the images shown in the slider. Wix templates usually come with placeholder photos, so you will want to remove those first to make the slider match your own content. Delete the sample images, then click Add Media Image to upload the images you want to use. Once your images have been added and arranged the way you want, click Done to apply the changes. Next, click the Settings option, which appears as a gear icon on the gallery. This area lets you fine-tune how the slider behaves. You can adjust the slider speed if you want images to change more quickly or more slowly. You can also turn on autoplay so the slider moves automatically without the visitor needing to click. If needed, you can also customize the navigation arrows so they better match the look and feel of your site. Take a moment to review the slider on the page and make sure the images, layout, and movement look the way you want. This quick check can help you catch any spacing or display issues before your changes go live. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the slider visible on your live Wix website. That covers everything you need to know.